now, let's go straight to the Mavie Global. Even before I will start, I need to tell that these informations containing in this presentation are not any kind of investment or financial advice. You all are adults, and I think that you all can make the opinion based on your own. You can make opinion based on the information that you will receive. So, who we are? Mavie Global, we are an affiliate marketing company. We are in Web3, and we are providing Web3 products and services of another partners. Same like Uber is the biggest in the transportation and owning no cars. Same like Airbnb is leading market inside the hospitality, owning no beds, or Amazon having the leadership in the e-commerce sector without any products branded by itself. The same we as a Mavie, we understand the concept. We know how to get to the top, and we are doing it the similar way. All that we do, we are doing in the term of innovation. You know, there is a huge evolution every time, and it's going faster and faster in our lives. Let's take a look at the post service. We all know what the post service is about. We all know what is the physical mail about. We all know that it takes a lot of days to send something from USA to the other part of the planet, for example, to the China, and we know it is costly. Still, some people are using it, but mostly everyone is using emails right now because it is very, very fast and very cost efficient, and it is sent in seconds and costs $0. Same it is with the evolution of the payments. Still, physical banks exist all around, and we all know that if we want to make a transaction to the foreign country, we very often need to pay a very high fees for a foreign currency exchange, for the transaction fee, and it might take 3 days, maybe if there are early holidays or weekends, even more. On the other side, there is a fast and cheap solution provided by the blockchain technologies, by the cryptocurrencies, which take literally just the seconds, and the cost efficient is about 1 cent. So who we are? We as a Mavie Global, as I said, we are affiliate marketing agency. We aim to go to the biggest and to the highest ranks in the world. And I believe that we moved really, really good way. Thanks to all our partners, thanks to our Mavie family, we managed in the first year to surpass the revenue of 1 million USDT in the total revenue of the products that were distributed by the Mavie. We have more than 250,000 members globally and offices in 32 countries. We were recognized by Business for Home as a second fastest growing company inside this industry. And well, our partner Altron Foundation is keep achieving new and new ranks in the global ranking of the total value locked on the DeFi Llama. Right now, 6th place out of the 200 DeFi blockchains. Why we are doing so good? Because we solved the problem. In this industry, I am for some years already, and there was always the problem that many companies try to do everything by themselves. They want to run affiliate program, they want to write a compensation plan, and at the same time, they want to put an effort to developing the product. Well, we all know that not many of these companies, almost none, made it, but we as a Mavie Global, we are doing very, very good because, in fact, we are the first affiliate marketing company in the history that is partnering with a real layer 1 blockchain. So I believe that our past year success proving the success formula of this connection. So while you people, the community, have an access to join the Mavie, and thanks to the Mavie, you always get products from the Web3 space like Altron, Staking Hub NFT, or Lottoday Gaming Hub, or FlipMe payment hubs that we will be talking in detail today. But in the future, hundreds of more decentralized applications that might bring you the new opportunities to create a new stream of income and become the part of something that is called real-world asset tokenization, which is an absolute unavoidable future of our everyday life. So when we are talking about the products, Altron Foundation, our first partner, Altron Staking Hub NFT. I call this a well builder because Altron Staking Hub NFT is making you daily rewards in the ULX coin, the native coins of the Altron blockchain, and well, all of other applications that will be built on the top of layer 1, on the top of blockchain, can project their success to the value of this coin. So Altron Staking NFT is here for everyone who have a long-term thinking and who knows what this is about. But we have another two partners, Lotto Day. The gaming hubs of the Lotto Day are here for the daily cash, same as the Flipme payment hubs are here for the daily cash. So who is the Altron Foundation and how is possible they are growing so fast? Well, maybe we are talking about 1 year, on 1 year and something, we and Mavie Global and Altron Foundation, we merged together, we started to cooperate together, but guys from the Altron, Mr. Shukra Chadibeko, CEO of Altron, or Mr. Alex Ustinov, who is the CTO of the Altron, were working behind the scenes for 2 years, even before we met together. And well, today the team consists of more than 40 senior developers that previously worked on the Polygon, Solana, Polkadot, Hyperledger, Binance Smart Chain, or Phantom. So we are talking about team full of experienced people that already experienced a lot of things on the market, solved a lot of problems. And today, all of their brains and all of their effort is going in direction of Altron Foundation. So Altron Staking Hub NFT. We are talking about the product that is ranging from 100 USDT up to the 30,000 USDT. I say Altron Staking Hub NFT is an amazing product because I told it already. It is giving you a daily rewards in the ULX coins. So the functionality of this product is actually very simple. You pick one of the Staking Hub NFTs, which is your ownership right of the certain amount of the coins that are minted based on the current market value. And well, based on the amount of the coins that you own, you are starting to receive 0.2% daily rewards in Altron, in ULX, which is the Altron native coin. So in the 5 years, because it's a 5-year staking plan, you can multiply the amount of your coins or increase the amount of your coins in your staking hub by 311%. These daily rewards are being halved every single year, and there is also an option of auto stake off for the people who like to have the coins that they purchase locked for 5 years, but who like to get some coins on the wallet and get the daily income that they can use. When we are talking about the history and about the other layer one blockchains, well, the history says and history proves that every project needs 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years in order to build the infrastructure, 3 to 5 years in order to build the decentralized applications, to bring the community until it can really grow and until it can really manifest its power. So let's look at Ethereum. Today, 850 DApps, even more, I think it's around 930 right now. Well, imagine that you would make the decision and purchase the Ethereum in the 2016 when the price of 1 ETH was 0.3. Well, imagine that today it's about $1,600, but imagine also that you could sell it out in 2021 when it was on the all-time high at the $4,878. The growth of this blockchain, of this cryptocurrency was incredible. We can talk about many others like Binance, like Cardano, but all of this already happened. Right now, I believe that Altron Foundation, 1.5 years on the market, already proven track record, already delivered the promises that they did, and will still keep growing. There is already a significant growth, even in the worst market situation, in the bear market, when we can see the market capitalization is not moving up, just moving in the side. And well, still, guys from the Altron Foundation are making it and growing. So the second partnership is with the Lotto Day. The Lotto Day is the biggest decentralized gaming platform on the planet. And when we are talking about the Lotto Day, we are talking about the software that will include in future all of the lottery games that you can imagine. Casino, bingo, keno, scratching games, betting, roulette, same like traditional, but better. No more walking to the post office, no more taking the coins and scratching the lot. You just go, scratch it with the finger on the top of your display, and you see directly if you are one lucky winner, or you can continue to play. All of this is here in partnership with Mavie Global. The platform is fully developed, and you can already try it, and you can already play and try your luck on the testnet with the dummy coins. Why we are so excited about the Lotto Day is because it is the solution for the problem that there is no global lottery game yet. We know that lottery is here for thousands of years, and I believe it will be for the thousands of years in front. It's a very huge business, regulated by each and every country, but that's why each and every country is having own licenses, all lotteries, and there are very few groups like Powerball or Eurojackpot that are connecting few countries together. When we're talking about the Lotto Day as a solution, the first global gaming platform, we are talking about connecting 190 plus countries together. This software will be deployed. This smart contract will be deployed on the Binance Smart Chain, on Ethereum, on Polygon, on the Tron, and on the Altron. But of course, to increase the potential success of the Lotto Day, this is not just for the people that are familiar with the blockchain yet. And of course, it will be on Google Play and on the App Store, available for more than 3.6 billion users worldwide. So everyone will be able to enjoy the lottery games out of the sofa, in the comfort of their home, or anytime and anywhere on the planet. But where is the opportunity for Mavie Global, for you as a Mavie Global member or you as a Mavie Global partner? There is a 75 million USDTs worth of Gaming Hub NFTs, which represents 20.43% of revenue share pool, which is shared with every single Gaming Hub owners. So how does this work? For example, 1 3 USDT ticket will be sold. 50% is going to the prize pool. So for all the lucky winners, and if you are not lucky enough, you're increasing the jackpot that you might win in the future. 20% is going for the operational costs and for the marketing. 5% out of the ticket value is going for the ULX buyback and burn. So every time somebody will purchase the ticket, there is certain amount of money coming to the DEX, buying the coins, but burning them. So when I said before that Ultron Staking Hub NFT is a product that can really project the success of other applications, I'm talking about this. When Lotto Day will be successful, believe me, the ULX coin will be successful with it too. There is 5% also for the referral program, so you and other users can every time share and spread the opportunity with the Lotto Day and earn some money on the top of everything that is being played. Let's talk right now about 20% of the revenue share. So where is your opportunity? Well, it is called a Gaming Hub NFT. Gaming Hub NFT is, again, your ownership right of certain revenue share points. Revenue share points is the basic calculation unit, something like a stocks in the normal business. In the blockchain business, we call it revenue share points, and it is a unit that is based here for the calculation of your daily income. You can purchase the Gaming Hub, which range from $100 to the $30,000, or you can go for the super rare edition, which are still limited quantity available, like Mystic Lion, $50,000, or Magic Unicorn, 100,000 USDTs. I believe these are one of the best products on the market because, well, 10x from $100,000 up to 1 million, it's really, really exciting. But let me explain you. For example, you will purchase the one for $5,000. This one will make you possibility to earn 6 times more on your capital, so it means a $30,000. The $30,000 is the number that we call maximum payout. Once you will reach it, your Gaming Hub NFT will stop generating you the daily income, but no worries, you can always go renew it and continue earning again. On the top of daily earnings, we are talking about the real assets that you own that have its own value, and its value might increase in the future with the success of the entire Lotto Day. So pay a few minutes after this webinar, go to LottoDay.io, try out the calculator, model the situation of how many tickets will be sold and how much your Gaming Hub NFT will be paying you every single day. When we are talking about this business, well, this is really huge industry. Just in Germany, 13.6 million token tickets are being sold every day. 10 millions in Japan, 100 millions in China. Well, when you will look at our calculator, you will try it out. Believe me, you will be very surprised of how huge this thing can be. So when we are talking about the opportunities, there was a lot of opportunities in the crypto space already. We can talk about the BNB, we can talk about the Solana, or we can talk about the Ethereum. Well, all of them already been at their top. They might get to their next top, but well, there is no 9 cents or no 20 cents or no 30 cents opportunity to purchase. But with ULX, which is still at 0.16, well, I believe, in my personal opinion, that this can be really, really huge. But right now, let me introduce you our latest partnership. With the latest partnership, FleetMe, we can really say that we as a Mavie Global are becoming really competitive. And also for all our marketers, we are bringing the diversity of the product, because FleetMe is the product that is literally for everyone. So we will be talking about the banking and crypto for everyone. There is a lot of problems in the crypto space right now. And every year it is improving more and more. And now we are entering the era that it will fly. But still, many people are not in the crypto yet because they don't understand it. They don't understand how to get their first cryptocurrencies. And even if they find out how, because somebody will guide them, maybe they will find a YouTube video or some of the friends will introduce them, they might face the issue that if they want to finally get their cryptocurrency and pay with the card, the bank might say no, their transaction might be blocked, and still they will end up without any cryptocurrency. Then there is another issue, which is a security issue. There is a lot of websites that you're trying to maybe purchase the cryptocurrency and you will get nothing. Well, I'm sorry to say, cryptocurrencies are still full of scams because people lack the experience, and for the bad people, this is a good opportunity how to get advantage of them. Still, some people, some part of population is unbanked. The solution for all of these problems is FleetMe. So FleetMe is an mobile application. Everyone around the world, they know how to download the application, how to use it. And in the very, very friendly, user-friendly interface, which everyone can use just by the intuition, we are bringing two worlds together, crypto and banking. So with the FleetMe, every user will be able to get the bank account. Regular bank account, same as their bank account they're using right now. You can use it for the employment salary, you can use it to pay all of your bills, or you can simply pay with the card everywhere on the world. But in the same time, there is something that is more advanced, and this is the cryptocurrency wallet. So you will have all your cryptocurrencies, possibility to have all your cryptocurrencies in the wallet, just in the one application, and that's it. So first, crypto will become easy for everyone. There will be no blocking issues because when you are making transactions from one bank account to another, you are always fine. And in the secure environment of the FleetMe application, just with one click, you can get your first cryptocurrency, or you can utilize the cryptocurrency in your everyday life. Why we are talking about FleetMe right now? Well, today there is a 420 million crypto owners all around the world. But the expert says that with the continuously improvements of the legislation, you heard about Bitcoin ETF and everything, crypto is just inevitable. It is happening right now. They say that until year 2028, which is 5 years from now, there will be 5 billion crypto users. So 15 times more than it is today. And what will all these billions of people need? They will need a very user-friendly, simple application where they will be able to utilize the crypto in everyday life, the same as they are utilizing their digital money with a credit card anywhere and anytime. So we are now talking about the biggest transition, financial transition in the past 30 years. I am 34 years old. I remember it a bit because I'm from Slovakia. Still, when I was a child, I remember how my mom first time got the information in the employer that she will not be getting the salary in the envelope anymore, but she has to go to the bank, open the bank account, and provide the bank account. So this happened all around the world. This transition where people were using the paper money and the coins suddenly started to merge slowly to the digital money. Today, who is using the credit cards? Well, most of the people all around the world. There is almost no cash in the circulation. People are paying much more with the digital money. You don't even have the possibility to pay your bills in the cash right now. So the same transition like it was before is now going to happen with the cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies will become the part of the ordinary life of the ordinary people. It didn't mean that the paper cash was disappeared when the digital money came. Same as it doesn't mean that the banks will disappear when the crypto is coming. It is just the next level, just the upgrade. Why? Because I told at the very beginning, because it's fast, it's efficient, it's transparent, and it's secure. So crypto is the part of the future, and everyone who will own the FlipMe application and FlipMe card might benefit out of this transition. So we are talking about the instant payments. We are talking about the instant Bitcoin payments, cryptocurrency payments, ULX payments, Ethereum payments, whatever cryptocurrency you will want to utilize, you will be able to. We are talking about the possibility to participate on the cash back program. We are talking about the digital cards and about the physical cards. All of the card program with 5 tiers, 5 different levels, 5 different benefits will be introduced by the FlipMe team when the time will come. But I can really tell you even now that it will be very, very, very competitive. But what is even more competitive is position of FlipMe on the market. We know that we have the banks like Revolut, N26, and Vice. Banks without the physical presence, without the big buildings with a 6-meter concrete wall, and still they're performing very well. They're providing best services. You might have their cards, and you know that you might use your bank account with the fiat money anytime and everywhere around the world. On the same time, there are companies like Binance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase, which are offering also the card, where you can use your cryptocurrencies, but not the fiat. So people are today carrying 2 cards, one for the banks, one for the crypto. FlipMe is positioned here because FlipMe is offering 2-in-1. Now, when you start to think what people always want, people want 2-in-1. People want a mobile phone with built-in camera, with built-in MP3 player, with built-in computer, everything that is possible. So it's much better to have everything in one than to have several devices in your pocket. So that's why we believe that FlipMe will be really, really, really competitive on the market, as there are not much solutions on today's world. So when these FlipMe is when there is an opportunity for all of you, we are talking again about 20% of the entire intellectual property rights from the software that they will be shared among the payment hub owners. All the payment hub owners will have the possibility to participate on the FlipMe success, on the revenue, because the revenue will be shared. So what are the possible stream incomes of the FlipMe? Well, look at yourself, look at your behaviors. Every single day, you are using your credit card, withdrawing from the ATM, paying with the POS, making the online transactions. All of this is coming with the fees. With the fees that nobody is sharing with you today, but in the future, the FlipMe might share it with you. There is also crypto and fiat exchange fee. Not just when I'm doing the exchange, but when I decide to live with the crypto, pay with the crypto, and the other merchant have the fiat currency, there is an exchange fee. POS transactions, online transaction, card purchases, card subscriptions, ATM withdrawals. There is a huge amount of the fees that we are facing every single day in the world with the credit card. And right now, thanks to the payment hubs, you will have chance to participate on the success. So when we are looking about the deal, we as a Mavie Global, we have today opportunity that we have 50 million USDTs worth of payment hubs in the allocation for the pre-sale. So we can give to every our customer and every our partner the opportunity to purchase the payment hub even before the application will be launched. First stage, which is right now ongoing well for the 3 days, and 3 days, 5 million is already out. So there is only 10 million inside, is giving 100% more revenue share points. So same as I explained you before with the Lotto Day, revenue share point is a basic calculation unit to calculate your daily income. So when we are talking about everyone who is in the stage 1, we can say that you get doubled of the revenue share points. So you will get double as much money more faster than everyone else that will purchase from the reserved allocation after all of the pre-sale benefits are over. But when we are looking at the bottom table, As you can see, if you get your Payment Hub NFT in the first stage, you can participate from the both revenue share pools, from the revenue share pool 1, which is 10%, and from the revenue share pool 2, which is 10%. So you can participate on the fees that are equal to 20% of all of the fees generated with 100% more revenue share points. So when we are comparing this to everyone who will get the payment hubs after the application will be launched, you can earn 4 times faster. And this is, I believe, the most amazing deal that we could ever get in any partnership. So the payment hubs are again ranging from $100 up to the $30,000 when we are talking about the ordinary one, or there are also the super rare edition with the payment hubs. And what is even better, they are here since the stage 1, not since the stage 4 like it was with the Lotto Day, but since the stage 1. So everyone have today opportunity to purchase the payment hubs already. So what about the maximum payout? The same story like with the Lotto Day. Once you will stop receiving your daily income, you will just renew your payment hub. You will renew it with all of your benefits, and you continue to earn. So once again, you can visit the website flip-me.com. There is a calculator. Let me show you. So you can go and you can try it out how much your payment hub will be paying you every single day when the certain situation will happen. So for example, we as a Mavie Global, we have about 280,000 members right now. So let's say that there will be a 200,000 monthly subscriptions. Let's say I will purchase a $12,500 worth of Payment Hub NFT. And there will be 100,000 crypto to fiat exchanges, 1 million POS transactions, and some card purchases. So my potential of the daily income is 209 USDTs. I believe that this is crazy. Doesn't matter. I know every application needs some time until it will get the users, until people will come, but don't forget, we in Mavie Global, we have a huge community already. This is not Mavie Card, not Ultron Card, it's a FlipMe. It will go out to the world, to everyone. Remember the slide with the competitive landscape? People today demand 2-in-1. Just for your information, when we check how much is the difference between the stage 6, for example, and stage 1, when I said the stage 1 is the best time to get your Payment Hub NFT, I really mean it, right? Because here it can be every 60 days, the return of your capital. With the stage 6, it is 259 days, which is still an amazing deal. But well, if you can have it faster, who would not want it? So what I want to say is that, as you can see, we as a Mavie Global, we are bringing the diversity. We have the product for all of the crypto lovers, the Ultron Staking Hub NFT, for all of the visionaries that think long-term and see the potential through all of the DApps, all of the potential DApps that will be launched on the top of layer 1. We have the opportunity to participate in the worldwide decentralized gaming platform. And now you have the opportunity to participate on the success of the application like and FlipMe. I am very sure that if 10 years ago would somebody come to you and tell you, here is the company, for example, Revolut, many people said, oh my God, I don't want it because there is no branch. Who is going to the bank branch today? Nobody. We do everything online, and more and more and more people are adopting these habits. So when you know right now what kind of turnovers they do, you would like to have the stocks out of their company, right? I'm sorry, it's not possible. But with the FlipMe, the opportunity is here right now. So once again, thank you very much. And at the very end, I would like to ask our production team to play a recognition video to recognize all of our members. Thanks to them, we are where we are. Thanks to them, we have opportunity to partner up with the companies like FlipMe and spread it to everyone around our surroundings. So please, production team, the recognition video.